There are ways on how to dodge invitations or requests without being rude or ill-mannered. Interested? Watch this episode to know how. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. Refusing an invitation or request is very hard in whatever language, but here in Japan, there are phrases which you can use to give anyone an idea that you're refusing or saying no without being rude. These are called 断る. Are you ready? Let's get into it. それでは始めましょう. When someone asks you to go out or do something and you don't feel like joining or doing it, you may give them some hints about your feelings by saying the following expressions. そうですね. You may have to emphasize on the posing and intonation of the phrase because sometimes this could also be used to agree on something, like this. そうですね. So, to somehow give them an impression that you would want to say no, deliver the phrase like this. そうですね. This means, well. Another way to show hesitation is the phrase, A Chotto. This is enough for Japanese to understand that you're hesitant to do what you're requested to do, or hesitant to go to an invitation. This means, well, it's just that. These phrases will actually give them an answer that you don't want to join in an event or an invitation. With proper pauses, either of these phrases should convey your desire not to partake. この頃、ちょっと仕事が忙しくて. This means, I'm rather busy at work these days. Let's practice. この頃、ちょっと仕事が忙しくて. 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 最近、ちょっと体調を崩しまして. This phrase means, I'm not feeling well recently. Let's practice. 最近、ちょっと体調を崩しまして。最近、ちょっと体調を崩しまして。最近、ちょっと体調を崩しまして. If you can't think of any reasons, you can play with time. ちょっと相談してまたお電話します. This phrase means, I'll discuss it and call you back later. Let's practice. ちょっと相談してまたお電話します. 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 ちょっと考えさせてください. This phrase means, please let me think it over. Let's practice. ちょっと考えさせてください. 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 This is just the first part of this topic. I will teach you more sentences about this topic on our next episode. These are ready to use sentences which you can choose from depending on the situation you are into. Here's a summary of what we have talked about today. I hope these phrases and sentences will help you someday. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next episode. またね。